To ask someone where they come from, you say, Coa sa how? Where are you from? Coa sa how? And if you're talking to more than one person or being polite, it's Coa sa hashiv. Coa sa hashiv. Now, you could reply to that question by saying, Hami a glasachu. I'm from Glasgow. Hami a glasachu. But some place names are a bit different. For example, Hami asa Yeriston. I'm from Fort William. Hami asa Yeriston. That literally means I'm from the fort. Another one like that is Hami asa Noban. I'm from Oban. Hami asa Noban. That means I'm from the Little Bay. Many place names in Scotland, like Oban, are rooted in Gaelic and make much more sense once we understand the language. And just as we saw with the towns and cities, most country names work in a similar way. Hami a Awapa. I'm from Scotland. Hami a Awapa. Or, if you're from Germany, Hami asa Yeremalch. I'm from Germany. Hami asa Yeremalch. And you can find more information about country and place names and how they work in Gaelic on our website.